A waterwave wig, a waterwave wig, a waterwave wig.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Friends, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I have another video from Unice, and I believe this is the Amazon Unice. If not, I will correct myself in the description box. Get into what's in this box. I have not opened yet, so I'm excited to see what's in here, what they sent me. Have the actual package, and then it also comes with some goodies. So I'm assuming this is the headscarf, head wrap, a bonnet. It's a bonnet. So I have a pink silk bonnet, wig cap. This is actually a robe from Unice. I don't know if they send these to the customers or if they sell these, but it's actually a pink robe. Let's see what goodies are in there. So this looks like another bonnet, some eyelashes, an elastic band for melting, a makeup brush, and the wig. Oh, if you actually look on here, it says WW, which stands for Waterwave, and it's a 24-inch, and it was made in China, and it was disinfectant, but you know, it's a lot of stuff still going on, so we're gonna wash this wig, and we're also gonna bleach the knots. So I'm gonna open her up and pull her out. Okay, you guys, so this is what the wig looks like inside. It's kind of like a full frontal, but it still low-key tapers off, but it's giving full frontal-esque. Okay, so you have 3 combs, and you also have adjustable straps. The knots are definitely small on this unit. As you can see, she's very small, so it's gonna bleach very much easy. The hair is soft. It smells like factory. And it's 24 inches. It goes down to like my belly button. That's typically normal for me. The density feels like 150, yeah. And yeah, so we're just gonna go in and bleach it. But yeah, this is a true water wave texture. When companies say water wave, I expect it to look like this. Nothing curlier, nothing looser, but like this. This is perfect. So yeah, so let's go ahead and customize her and get her on. Okay, so I have my wig, I have my tinting bowl, tinting brush, I have my quick blue bleach, and my 30 volume developer. I'm gonna mix one part to 1 part ratio to get the consistency that I need, and we're gonna put it on the knots right here. I'm gonna let this process for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna go over to the sink over there, and then we'll rinse her off and get her ready for customization. So yeah, this is what I'm about to do to bleach my knots.
On the beat.
Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I shampooed the wig and I put purple shampoo on there. This is the purple shampoo I like to use. This is Vanilla No Yellow. And for shampoo, I use my Garnier Slick and Shine for this. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the shampoo and go in with some silicone mix. So these are the knots. They look good. So I'm gonna go ahead with some silicone mix. This is my favorite conditioner to use. Comes like this. Usually I'll mix some clear cellophane in here just to help the hair have a little bit more shine. But today I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take some of the silicone. I'm gonna put it on the hair and on the lace where I bleached the knots, because we wanna make sure that the hair is hydrated, especially in the knots area, and it does not shed. So I like to take it and put the wig inside out and just go ahead and put the conditioner on there like that, and then just work the rest of the conditioner into the rest of the hair. And I will just let it sit for about 10 minutes. You can let it sit as long as you want to. Go ahead and rinse it off. I'm gonna turn on cool water. All right, so the hair is soft and it's ready to be customized at this point. So let's go do that.
On the beat.
Okay, so I have my wig right here. This is about to be a quick install, friend. This is not about to take me long at all. So I decided I wanted the side part. I don't know how the fitting is, so let's try it on and fit. Let's see how she fit. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the wig off and I'm gonna use my picketing shears, my zigzag shears, and I'm gonna just cut the lace off. Apply the wig with some Bond spray. And then we're just gonna go ahead and throw some baby hairs on this and call it a day. Okay, let's do that. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with my lace spray. And I love using this because I like being glueless, all right? The only time I use glue is on special occasions. And when I'm doing YouTube, we're going to use some sprays. Okay, so anyway, you spray it in one area, dry it down with warm air from your blow dryer, and you do that into your entire hairline, all right? And I ended up spraying this on top of the lace. I don't like it. I don't recommend doing it this way because I feel like it just leaves my hairline sticky. And I'm not here for the sticky hairline. And to clean that up was a lot of work. So just spray underneath. I was being lazy. doing this process. Okay, but yeah, so after this, yeah, I'm just making sure that everything is dry. And then I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses in shade 16, my makeup, and I'm going to pat that all over my hairline because I want it to blend in because it was a little lighter than my natural skin color. As you can see, like it's looking a little sticky, but it's okay. I'm going to fix it by the end of it. So I do want baby hairs. I decided that I did, and so I'm going to pull some out. The focus is this little side part, so that's the main focus of this video because I wanted this to look cute. So anyway, I pull some hair out. I'm gonna cut it with no, I'm gonna curl it first, and then I'm gonna cut it with my razor. And I just did it this way so I could see if I had enough hair or not. So after I curl it, I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna lay it down with my lace jelly from Boho. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that to my entire hairline. Everything I did on this side, I did on the other side, but for the sake of this video, because it was already over 10 minutes when I was editing, I just said I'm gonna just show one side. So anyway, yeah, you see what I'm doing. I'm about to do my sideburns, do the same thing, and lay it down with the lace jelly. I don't know if I showed it on here, but I did spray my hairline down with the same hairspray, and then I wrapped it with my elastic band so it can melt. This is a wax stick. You can use any wax stick of your choice. I'm gonna put that all over my hairline, and then I'm gonna press it just to make sure that it's laying how I want it to lay. And yeah, that's about it. I did go back in and comb out my baby hairs after I finished everything because I didn't want it to be plastered on my face. But if that's your look that you want, you can do that. But yeah, this is what the wig ended up looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll be back with more videos, especially more Amazon videos. This particular wig is on the smaller side, so if you have a smaller head, this will definitely work for you. If you are larger than a 22.5, do not order this one because this one will be super snug. Okay, if you're small, you'll be cool. So until next time, bye best friends.